So, hello everyone. We are from group 5 to I1 class. We want to explain our presentation project OOP about student report. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fajar Arifianto Mustika and my partner is Muhammad Syahril Syahbani. System analysis. Object-oriented programming is a programming style that is associated with the concept of class, object, and various other concepts revolving around these two, like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, and many more. In this project, the author creates a student report application programming that contains class, function, if else, do while, switch case, while function. In this project, we can also create, view, edit student data. So this is the flow chart. The flow chart is the main flow chart in this project. When the start program will display the initial view of the program, when the user input enter it will continue to the main menu, which plays several menus such as result menu, input or edit data menu, and exit. When the user input number 1, it will run the subprogram, namely the result menu. If the user input number 2, it will run another subprogram, namely the input or edit data menu. Finally, if the user input number 3, the program will be closed. If the user input a number that is not listed on the display, it will repeat continuously until the user input the existing number. This is the results menu subprogram. User will see several more menus, namely class result, student report card, and back to the main menu. If user input number 1, program will process and then display the data of all students in tabular form. And then to return to the main menu, user input only enter. If the user input number 2, then the user will be told to enter the student name, then check whether the name exists or not in the database. If there is one, it will display the student report. If there is none, then the program will display data does not exist and enter input to return to initial menu. This is the input or edit data subprogram. User will see several more menus, namely create student data, show all data, search student data, edit student data, delete student data, and return. If the user input number 1, then the user will be told the input name, and student value, and then in the process for data storage and will display the message data successfully input, and then will return to the main menu. If input number 2, then the program will process and then display all the data has been input user, and then if you want to return to the main menu, input enter. If input number 3, then the user will be told to enter the student name, then check whether the name exists or not in the database. If there is one, it will display the student report. If there is none, then the program will display data does not exist and enter to input to the initial menu. If the user input number 4, then the user will be told to enter the student name, then check whether the name exists or not in the database. If name exists, then the user will input new data from the name, and value, and then will display data successfully update. If name doesn't exist, then it will display data does not exist. If user input number 5, then the user will be told to enter the student name, then check whether the name exists or not in the database. If name exists, then the data is successfully deleted and display data successfully deleted. If name does not exist, then it will display data does not exist. If the user input number 6, it will return to the main menu. And if the user input number does not exist, the program will repeat until the user input number that has been provided. Next, to the code.
Code. Class is a declaration class function for the program. Void siswa colons perhitungan is a void function to calculate the value. Next. Void siswa colons get data is a void function to enter student data. And then void siswa colons show data is a void function to show student data. Next. Void siswa colon show tabular is a void function to display data in tabulation or tables. And then there are several calling function declarations contains void input siswa, void lihat data semua, void lihat spesifik data parameter integer, void edit siswa parameter integer, void hapus siswa parameter integer, void hasil tabular, void result, void tampilan awal, and void intro menu. Integer main is the and next integer main is the main function from the program. Next, void input siswa is a function for create student data. Void lihat data semua is function for create display all data. Next. Void lihat specific data parameter integer is a function for search specifically student data. Next. Void edit siswa parameter integer is function for edit or modify student data. Next. Void hapus siswa parameter integer and is function for delete student data. Next, void hasil tabular is function for display data in tabulation or tables. Next, void result is function for display result student data. And then void tampilan awal is function for display main page. Next. Void entry menu function is a function for create, edit, delete, and display student data. Next.
So this is the output from our program. Is the home page view, main page, menu hasil, menu display tabular, menu display specific, entry menu, menu create data siswa, menu display all data, menu find data siswa, menu edit data siswa, menu delete siswa, and that is all from us, and thank you for watching.